my god, one day I'll host. I think it's cute.
Doesn't matter if the snow is falling.
Hi everybody! Today we're doing a day in my life. Yay! It is super cold. I don't know if you can see. Yeah, it's super cold. I just turned on my car. I'm going to the gym. And today we have a lot to do. When I get back, I will talk about the to-do list for today. Just wanted to start off the vlog here. Today is my first day where I don't have class. Yesterday was my last day of classes for the fall semester. And I was so exhausted. I'm so happy because it was too much. Seriously, uni is another game. It's so much, like it's so draining. We made it. I have 2 exams left and a presentation. 2 of the evaluations are from my 6 credit class, so I need to nail that sheet, you know. But other than that, it's fine. I have to, you know, let loose a little bit this morning at the gym, and then I'll start studying for those things, I guess. Next clip will be probably me at home because I'm too shy to film at the gym. Okay. Hello guys, so I'm back from the gym. I took a shower. I did my face a little bit, like it's not that crazy. And now I'm going to tell you about our to-do list today. So gym, Christmas shopping, cleaning my room, and then I have to study because I have exams. I have 2 last exams on the 17th and on the 20th, so I need to do something about it. 10 courses for each exam, and they're like courses of hundreds of pages, so I need to, you know, I started it, but I need to continue. So yeah, right now it is 11:11. Ooh, make a wish. Okay, I did my wish. I hope you did too. Yeah, so now I'm going to go to the Carrefour Laval. It's a big mall in Laval, and I'm going to go Christmas shopping. Follow me. So I'm debating on which one to get. Hold on. So this one. Or this one. Maybe this one. This one's cute, no? Or this one, but I think my gift is too big. Like, it's not deep enough. So I think I'm gonna go with this one. So this. Should it be cute? Or is it too much? I think it's cute because I probably will work on Christmas Day. So maybe if I buy this, it's gonna be so cute. Okay, so maybe I'll buy it. I freaking love Christmas. It's so festive. Oh my god. One day I'll host a whole Christmas dinner at my house because I need to be extra and buy all those things. Hi besties. Okay, this is like the most stable it can get with my camera, so I'm not gonna, I'll try to fix the angle, whatever. Okay, do you see me? Okay, so I didn't buy the box. I bought a bag because look at it, it's so cute. The blue, it's prettier than the box. The box looked a little bit, you know, but I love this. And yeah, so yeah, I'm not gonna show you what I bought at the mall because we never know. This person might watch my video and find out what I got them, so I'm not trying to do that. But I bought the antlers because they're so cute. So if you want to see me with those antlers on Christmas Day, come to Winners. I'm not gonna tell you where I live, so come to Winners somewhere in Canada and you might see me. Okay, anyways, I'm gonna continue my shopping. Okay, so I'm back home. Next step is cleaning my room. You guys, it's final season, so don't be rude, okay? My bedroom is not the best, but it's not the worst. You know what I mean? I kind of hid the things that I was supposed to do, like laundry, just normal things. And yeah, so now I'm holding myself accountable since I have 3 days off from school. Well, actually, I don't have school until the 17th. So yeah, but this is how my bedroom looks like. So this is my laundry that I hid. So when you enter, you can't see it. Okay. And then the two paintings things that I never hung, and then the bag, my tote bag that I just put down. 2 towels. I need to wash this. Funny story. I was supposed to put the clothes on Poshmark, but I never did that. So I just put them in a bundle and I wrapped it around a towel. Yeah, I'm okay. And I have how do you call them? Blinds. I got blinds from IKEA. Never screwed them on my wall. So I've been sleeping with no curtains, nothing. So yeah, shame on me, shame on me. And then the worst thing is this. When I wake up, you know, I just wake up and I put everything here. I put my perfume on. I just don't have the time nor the energy to stay clean in the morning. At 5 a.m., no. So this is what I have to do. So the laundry, maybe my bedside table too, this and this. So follow me when I do this. guys, so it's been a while since I vlogged anything today. It's because I was studying. I was studying, period. Well, my battery died and I don't have a backup, so I needed to charge it. But I cleaned my room. If you want to see, this is how it looks like right now. Nothing here, all clean, all clean. And then there's nothing, well, there's one load left of just like towels, because you can't really wash towels with everything else because it's gonna just absorb all the water and just it won't be great. So yeah, there's just the towels left to wash. The only thing I didn't end up doing was hang out my blinds. For now I need to study because it's like the best time for me to study around like 4, maybe 2, 1 around the afternoon and night. I'm really good at studying. In the morning I could study if I forced myself, but the way things just enter and stay in my head when I study later on the day, it's unmatched. I found my little method. I am doing the Pomodoro method, so it's 50 minutes of studying and then 10-minute breaks. Right now I'm talking during my break, so feel lucky, okay? I'm spending my break talking to you. I find it very helpful to do it this way, even though sometimes I'm like, oh my God, 50 minutes. But then when you end up doing the 50 minutes, you're really ahead. You're like, you worked a lot on what you're doing. And because I have like 10 classes, 10 courses to do with like 60 to 100 pages of notes, I find myself finishing the courses in my 50 minutes or like in an hour instead of in 2 hours if I don't do that method. So I think it's kind of helpful. I think it's kind of helpful. So yeah. And yeah, so when I'm done with my studying, which will probably be later tonight, very much later because it's just 6:19. I don't know if you can see, yeah, it's 6 p.m. So maybe in 4 hours, so 4 times 50 minutes, I will stop or just take a longer break, and then I will try to screw, that was the word, I will try to screw another fixation thing to at least put on one blind. That would be an amazing because the sun comes in so strongly in the morning, you guys. Ooh. So anyways, this was my little chat, and I will see you guys in my next 10-minute break or when I'm done. I'm done for the day. I actually did 4 hours. I am shook because the way I wasn't motivated when I started, and I didn't even see the 4 hours go. So it is currently, if you don't believe me, it is 10 past 3. And now I'm gonna try to at least put one of the blinds up. Here is my sister's dog. Hey, hey Maya, say hey, hey to the camera. Anyways, I'm gonna try to put this blind up. I've already drilled a hole. With difficulty, not with difficulty, but I kind of did a little dent with the thing. I don't know if you can see it. Kind of did a dent here because it's too like voluminous, so it kind of rolled on the thing. Anyways, I don't know how to speak. It is 10 p.m. I'm just so tired, but anyways, so the hole is done. Okay. I did! I think I did it. Wow, it looks decent. So I think I did it. Yay! I'll just fix the screw tomorrow because it's not screwed all the way in. So I guess I screwed it a little bit like sideways, so I'll try to do it again. But look, oh my god, I just finger crossed that it doesn't fall apart because I would be devastated. But yeah, so I kind of did it. I kind of did it. Oh my god, look at me being a Bob the Builder or whatever. So I actually finished my whole to-do list, which is actually crazy to me because I don't know, I always overdo it with my to-do lists, but I actually managed to finish it all. So now I think I'm just gonna finish up wrapping my Christmas gift that I just bought for the Christmas exchange. Something's off, so I tried, but I'm gonna redo it once I buy the blue wrap paper. So I guess I'm just gonna end up the video right here. I hope you guys enjoyed. I'm not gonna show you my night routine because I'm gonna film a whole different video for this, and the dog is crying. Maya, why are you crying? Anyways, so thank you guys for watching. If you did like this video, please give it a thumbs up and comment down below which part of the video was your favorite. And yeah, thank you guys for watching. Subscribe, and I'll see you guys in my next one. Bye.